Hello students, answer to the 14th question was lumbar puncture needle. Lumbar puncture needle is identified by its long shaft, L for long, L for LP needle. Then you were asked about the indications. Indications will follow, but first let's understand the important question, what is its ideal position? So the correct or the best position is the fetal position, in which the knees are bent towards the chest and abdomen, the spine is flexed. This increases the interspinous space between the vertebrae, which allows for easier insertion of the spinal needle. It can be done in the lateral decubitus, in the prone position, and also in the sitting position. But the best or the ideal position is your fetal position. You can appreciate in this picture how the knees are drawn towards the abdomen and the spine is flexed for better insertion of the needle. Here you can appreciate the needle when it is inserted between L3 and L4. Please take screenshots of these indications of lumbar puncture and CSF examination, which are important for your Viva and MCQs. Also the contraindications when it cannot be done or when it is to be done with precaution. Then this chart of differential diagnosis of various types of meningitis based on the CSF examination is extremely important. Normally, the CSF is clear and colorless, but in pyogenic meningitis, it becomes cloudy and turbid. In tubercular meningitis, there is a cobweb coagulum present, and viral meningitis, again, it is clear. Cells normally 0 to 4 lymphocytes are there. In pyogenic meningitis, there are 1000 to 10,000 neutrophils, mind you. In tubercular meningitis, again there are 100 to 1000 lymphocytes, and viral meningitis only 10 to 100 lymphocytes. Proteins are increased in all types of meningitis. Sugar is reduced in pyogenic and tubercular meningitis and nearly normal in viral meningitis. Then in culture, bacteria are isolated in pyogenic meningitis, the tubercular bacilli in tubercular meningitis. And the culture is sterile in case of viral meningitis. So please learn this table by heart, very, very important. So students, in today's question, the needle asked was the lumbar puncture needle. You identify lumbar puncture needle because of its long shaft. So L for long and L for LP needle. Roughly सारी needles के similar parts होते हैं, लेकिन specifically LP needle की बात करें तो this is the outermost sheath. This is called the cannula or the needle proper, and this is the stylet. The stylet has color coding because of its size or gauge. Now, if we talk of the cannula, it is cannulated, it is hollow. That is why it is called cannula. It has got a beveled tip. This is the shaft of the needle, and this is the hub of the needle. There are also stainless steel LP needles available, which can be reused after sterilization. But this is a disposable needle which can be used only once, single time use. Thank you.